Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Google Drive on your laptop or PC. With Google Drive, you can easily store and access your files from anywhere. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Drive download page. You can find it by typing in Google Drive download or simply going to drive.google.com. Once you're on the page, look for the option that says Download Drive for Desktop. Click on that. This will take you to the download page for Google Drive for Desktop. Click on the Download button and your download will start immediately. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and find the Google Drive installer file. It will typically be named Google Drive Setup.exe or similar. Double-click on the installer file to run it. You might see a prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. Just click Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process should only take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll see a Google Drive icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Now let's open Google Drive. Double-click the icon and you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your Google credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on Create Account on the Sign In page. After you sign in, you'll be asked if you want to sync your files. You can choose to sync everything in your Google Drive or just specific folders. Make your selection and click Next. That's it, you're now all set up. Google Drive will start syncing your files and you can access them anytime from your laptop. You can also upload files directly to Google Drive by dragging and dropping them into the Google Drive folder on your computer. To access your Google Drive folder, just click on the Drives icon in your taskbar or go to this PC and look for Google Drive under Quick Access. And there you have it. You've installed Google Drive on your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.